this is how the pupils of Odumakuma MA Primary School go to school. Yes, they sit in canoes. They sit in canoes, unprotected. They don't even wear life jackets. And they pass on this river to school.
And my ladies are doing very well. But the challenge is that anytime the canoes are not available to them to use, some of them don't come to school because they don't have any means of crossing. So any help in this regard will save these young ones. We may have future presidents.
Emufraya Unhuomi, Omoko School or Odumakuma MA Primary School, Oti region. Na Emufrano et na kuduomu ana Eco School. Enupudi anka enye bad. But the akwa say, Omu et na kuduonu mu a, Omu share life jacket bia.
About a kilometer and then they cross within 25 to 30 minutes. So we really need help. So this video is an evidence of what is happening here, and you can see how very expanded it is.
Yes, Rabbi. Yes, painful. Adiwedia is too dangerous. Ma yen twema bibinsi ansana. Oma ye hu baby. At least they should be protected. I say more life jackets, and I say there should be a sort of a review be say BB kosona etumisisa situation now. Odumakuma MA Primary School in Kolano FM Sesiano. I will be very glad to say the Ministry of Education bit may be found because this is so dangerous. Thank you.
A school called Odumakuma MA Primary located in Karachi West Municipality of the Oti region. As you can see, we have two groups of our learners. This one is made up of females. You can see that the females are the ones paddling the canoe. So these are our learners, and then they are coming to school, and the risk involved is very high. When the lake overflows its bank, it takes about 2 kilometers for them to cross, almost about 30 to 40 minutes. But when it shrinks, they are able to the distance is able to reduce to about 1 kilometer, and then they cross within 25 to 30 minutes. So we really need help. So this video is an evidence of what is happening here, and you can see how very expanded.
Traditional area, following one after the other, the Kingdom division is the last to celebrate the festival. This Akwambo festival is usually celebrated during a period when there is plenty to eat and be merry.
And make merry.
Hi, my name is Cindy. Welcome to Fire Media GH. When it comes to sports, entertainment, politics, and social issues, this is your right plug. Follow us on Facebook, Fire Media GH. Then on TikTok at Fire Media GH. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Fire Media GH. Then on Twitter at Fire Media GH. So you don't miss any updates on our social media platforms. Fire Media GH. Hot, hotter, hottest.